Hello, good morning. As you can see, I'm sitting in a car right now. I picked a rental car from Hamburg over there and I'm heading over there to a remote island, which has been on my bucket list for a very long time. I'm really excited to go there today, so let's fasten the seatbelt, turn the engine on, hit the road, follow along, stay tuned to find out where I'm heading to. So maybe I was a bit optimistic. I thought 5 hours and 30 minutes would be enough for 220 kilometers of driving. Take that in account when you are planning a road trip in Germany. It takes time, a lot of time. Success! I made it to Denmark. I'm now somewhere in between Sønderborg and Fynshav. I'm gonna catch the ferry to the island in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Through Germany to 200 kilometers took me like 4 hours. That's kind of the speed you may expect when you are driving onto German Autobahns. Like 50 kilometers per hour. There was traffic jams, there was an accident, and that of course slows you down. So if you are driving in Germany, please take something to drink, take something to eat. It might take you way longer than you expect. That's something you have to consider. I have a rental car. I don't own any car by myself, so I always rent if I need a car. It's quite, well, it's reasonably priced. I'm driving a Seat Ibiza this time, or Ibiza, how do you pronounce it? I don't know. It's a nice little car, but one thing that bothers me when I'm doing this kind of thing is that you don't have no place whatsoever to put your camera on. The dashboard is so slippery, everything's gonna slide off like for no reason at all. The horizon is my destination. It might also be there or there. I'm not sure about that. Anyway, I'm heading to the island of Ere, which I've never been to. It had been on my bucket list for a very, very long time. I'm so happy to finally see it. What I didn't know, this ferry, MFLN, is fully electric, which is kind of nice thing because, you know, heavy fuel oil isn't the most environmental choice. But it's kind of cozy, they have a little saloon, little bar. This is nice. Great view, 360 degrees view. You can go to the front, look at the front and back and sides and everything. So this is really nice. I did cost me 37 euros return trip, so it isn't that expensive either, so I only can recommend this. This is so nice. I enjoy it. So, there we go. Didn't take that long. Holy shit, we are not even docked yet. Woohoo! How cool is this? Bit exhausted, but I made the guest house. It's one of the most beautiful places I have ever been. It's one of the nicest rooms I have ever stayed in. As you can hear, there is a movie playing on the background. This house has the smallest Danish cinema. It's a bit loud, but I'm still gonna take a nap. Good morning again. I just woke up, took a little nap, half an hour, and before that I read some facts about the island. The population is 5,600. Äresköping, where I'm right now, has 942 inhabitants. It's quite a tiny island, and it's so quiet and peaceful here right now. This is unbelievable. I'm so happy. Time to head to the shower, then to the restaurant. I think I'm gonna back up for today. No more videos today. I'm gonna go out and eat, recharge myself, take a really good night's sleep, and tomorrow I'm gonna hit the streets and roads and look what the island has to offer, do some photographies and videos. So, time to put this vlog together. Hope you enjoyed my little video. It's been so nice today, and I hope I can see you in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, let me know on the comments below. Subscribe if you want. Thank you so much. Take care, stay safe, and bye.